Today, we are exploring an all-time favorite, Kerala-style fried sardines. This dish is not only quick and tasty, but also super nutritious. This recipe pairs perfectly with rice. Let's get started. First, take your sardine fish and clean them well. Make a few slashes on both sides to allow the marinade to seep deeply into the fish. In a mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 3 teaspoons of crushed fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and juice from half a lemon. Mix everything well to form a thick paste. Now, marinate the fish with this flavorful mixture, ensuring each piece is well coated. Let it sit for 15 minutes to soak in all the spices. The longer you let it marinate, the more flavorful your sardines will be. Next, heat a kadai and pour in some coconut oil for deep frying. Let the oil heat up over medium to high heat for about a minute. Carefully add the marinated fish to the hot oil. Fry for 5 minutes in total. Flipping once to cook both sides evenly. Ensuring they are cooked until golden and crispy. Dish it out. And there you have it, delicious Kerala style fried sardines. Simple to make, packed with flavor, and perfect for any meal. Give it a try and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time. Happy cooking!